morning. Good morning. Well, the morning is not that good as we wanted because, well, the train delayed.
This is
worse,
the start. We wanted to go by train to the airport, but one of the trains won't go because there is a problem.
The power problem.
Yeah, but we have all
It's not a diesel.
our stuff with us. Everything is here. We have enough time.
We got coffee and we got time
we will
enough.
be there.
We can make it anyway. So we got 2 hours extra. So don't worry, Canada, we will come.
It's gonna be a nice day.
Alright, we're just flying a little bit low on the ground, but that will be changed any minute. Because we going all the way up to the east coast of Canada, Halifax. That's we're starting our adventure, right?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Seven hours later.
It is now, for us it is 9 in the evening, but in Canada it's like 5 o'clock. And we see land.
5 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
We're almost there.
Almost there.
We are here.
We made it.
We're back in Canada and we already found a Tim Hortons.
And the donuts. They
We
are
sorted
great.
out a phone number to use here.
And we got contact with Jamie, our man.
Who fixed our bikes.
Okay, so we hardly can wait to see you, to meet him and to go on the road tomorrow maybe.
So we are at our Airbnb and we're walking, well, just around the block. And we're seeing this. Is it snow?
Well, it looked like snow, but to be honest, it's soap.
Ah, so everybody's cleaning their cars.
Right? Yes, what?
What did we do today?
What did we do today? Well, we fly all the way up from Amsterdam to Halifax. We got contact with Jamie, and Jamie fixed our motorcycles, the Kawasaki, looking beautiful, and we got
a nice picture. They're standing ready for us, waiting. And
we have visited Tim Hortons. Okay, and that's the number
tomorrow Jamie and Jolene will pick us up.
All right.
And they will bring us to their home. It's a drive of 3 or 4 hours.
Yep.
So, yeah.
We're gonna eat something, gonna sleep, and tomorrow, very exciting, we see our motorcycles. See you tomorrow.
Good morning, Eric.
Hey, goedemorgen. Ja.
We stayed the first night here in our Airbnb.
Airbnb.
And now we're waiting on the side of the road for Jamie and Jolene to pick us up.
And to get to our new motorcycles. Yes!
So day 2 of our big trip.
Day 2 of our big trip, all the way up to Alaska, starting right here.
After we waited on the sidewalk, Jamie and Jolene indeed came with their big truck.
Yeah.
And they picked us up, but the car ride was like 4 hours to Prince Edward Island.
It was a long ride. You know what? When they picked us up, we got a feeling we know each other for years, right?
Yeah.
And we just saw them for the first time, so it was a very special feeling. And it was a nice ride. It was a 4-hour ride and we talked about everything.
So we didn't film anything,
No.
but we got to know each other better. And then we came at their house and there we saw our motorbikes.
It was I was really impressed. And to see standing there on the parkway, it was beautiful.
After Jamie and Jolene picked us up and we got home, they gave us a tour around the island, and after that it was already late, so we slept at their house. And the next morning we arranged everything to get plates on the bikes, But it's very difficult to do if you're a foreigner and you don't know
the way. It's a lot of paperwork, a lot of waiting, a lot of cup of coffee, a lot of sitting, and at least, well, you get it done, right?
But there was also something nice because the motorcycles had to be inspected.
That's right. And then we visited a guy whose name was Mike, and well, we walking back in time. We're just walking in a motorcycle museum. I've never seen that lot of motorcycles. You know what? It was also a Dutch Batavis. It was a really nice guy. He helped us out. He did a great job. Mike, if you see this video, thank you very much. Not from Japan?
This one was the rougher of the two. Yeah. He actually was on the road. The other one was in the garage probably more and washed more than anything else. This one was actually road.
Yeah, I can tell the corrosion on that.
Yeah, I was excited as well. I did the calibration race, changed sprockets, oil, and everything on there. No, I'll pass. And they have all these crazy people showing up all hours of the day.
Yeah.
I'm eating my balls there.
Here, you can go through that.
Yeah.
Yamaha. Oh, it's beautiful. That's an old one.
Yeah, looks like somebody took an old cart and painted it.
Looking brand new, right?
So to put a plate on the motorcycles, we have to let them check.
Yeah.
We have to.
So he does a safety inspection, so make sure everything passes the mandatory things like signal lights, all bearings are firing, everything works on this should work on. And then he gives me a little slip of paper and he puts a sticker on the bike. I take that with my insurance, with the registration to the motor vehicle, and then I get it a plate for it.
That's very nice. It was like a museum. What kind is the old one up there? Oh, you don't know what the S on the tank?
BSR.
BSA.
It's a BSA, it's an old BSA, okay.
Hey Eric.
James Allen.
Now we saw a BSA and a Norton.
This is a Norton.
It's from a famous.
The Aubergines from the famous song Battles of the Norton and Tines of the BSA. Here in Canada, you won't believe it, a beautiful Norton. What a nice piece of machinery, right?
What's that door? That is my Batavis.
Batavis, yeah, Batavis. Oh, that's nice. I
It's in
film
good
it right
shape.
now.
Oh yeah.
You wouldn't believe this. It's in Batavis here in Prince Edward Island, Canada. Made in Holland. Batavis. Unbelievable. En een Poeg.
Ja, poeg.
Poeg. Newport 2. Prachtig. It's beautiful.
So we just been to a garage where he checked the bikes. Inspector, yeah, to check it if everything's all right.
For safety.
When it's all right, then you can register the bikes. So
For the
what did
insurance.
you think of it, the garage?
Go back in time. Go back in time for about 100 years. We saw motorcycles. I didn't know they exist anymore, like Yamaha, old Yamahas, Batavis, Poeg, also Dutch ones.
Yeah.
And oh, it was amazing. It was just amazing. Good.
And we made a first short drive to the
That's
garage
the
on our
biggest
bikes. And they are perfect. So these are our bikes. Can you tell something about it, Eric?
Yes, I can do that if you want. It's a Verzius Kawasaki 650. Well, this one is from 2000. Well, this is the youngest one. This is an older one.
2011 and
Yeah,
left is from
something like that.
29.
And we choose the same brands because if we got problems with parts or something, we got the same brand. So it's easy to get parts here in Canada for all the Japanese bikes. And we just went this morning to, what was his name?
Mike?
Mike. And Mike did an inspection on both bikes. And now we got a registration and the sticker is up here.
I don't know how much the taxes are, but
Okay, don't we wait for that?
yeah, I might as well just
Maybe
wait
that's
for
the
that,
easiest
and then
way.
I'll go through everything that I spent.
We'll wait for Jamie, he brings us to town, and there we get our license plates.
Yeah.
Oh.
So before we came, he already checked them, put new tires on it, a chain, new sprockets, a new USB port,
How is it working?
new oils, and he washed them.
Brakes,
New brakes.
all new fluids, new oil.
So when we had them checked just this morning, it was all right immediately. What did you make?
What do we make? Well, we make a little construction up here. We got a plate here. We buy some aluminum, and we construct something here and here and up here. Jamie is making fit now. Okay? Are you
Yeah.
ready? Because we got a job to do.
Yeah.
Okay, you see nice, hè? Hop. Dit is dan de man en de plaats waar we alles gemaakt hebben. Dit is zijn werkplaats. Motoren en banden, alles wat je nodig hebt. To do a job that we did. This is the place to be. And before we go, we leave a souvenir right here.
While the guys were working on the top case, I was putting all the stuff in the bags. This one is for the tent, and this one is with the sleeping bags. Here are all the other important stuff, like this, our helmets, putting the suits together. So tomorrow we can ride with everything on the bikes. Yeah,
I didn't notice that.
I know.
So, too bad you covered an egg.
Well,
Everything is arranged.
everything. We did all the pre-adventure work.
We got plates. The motorcycles
Insurance.
are good. They drive.
The motorcycle's
Nicely.
okay. We know how to pack them, and the adventure can begin. So let's say, Miles and Motors.
The road to adventure. So this is us from the future at
Tim
you see
Hortons.
it, Tim Hortons.
The one and only.
And one of our friends, Isabel, made bingo cards for us with all the things we could do in Canada.
Yes,
and
a lot.
now we're editing at Tim Hortons, and
Yes,
we're
what we-
realizing even in the first vlog, the first thing we did was drinking coffee at Tim Hortons, and it's on our bingo card. So we already have one. Now we go for the full card, so we have to travel a lot.
You
but
better wait till the next one.
you'll see it
Cheers.
in the next vlog.